My friend, welcome to Motor City Skydiving. How are you today?
I'm good, and you?
Good. Are you ready for your first skydive?
Yes.
Yeah? Let's go have some fun. Yee-hee. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Are you
in the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Sweet talking lady, love how you and tight. Sugar with just the right amount of spice. I'm in the loop and everyone's desire. She's out to get you, you can't run, you can't hide. She's something mystical in color lights. I say, so far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, well, baby, don't you be
That was nice. Okay.
So check it out, we pull down this way.
Oh, it's going that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. Woo, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, hey. Woo. Best day ever.
Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly? Say, sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? But you won't get me tonight. Drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling.
Very nice. Yo, we got mad lift.
Welcome back on the ground.
Mad lift.
Welcome back on the ground. Welcome back on the ground, my friend. How was that?
I can't even explain. But it was great.
Yay, congratulations. Thank you for jumping with us, and I hope to see you again soon, my friend.
Very soon.
Bye-bye.